everybody, today we are going to see how to execute a simple Python program. This video will be very useful for beginners. Let us see the programs. The first program is write a program to calculate the factorial of the given number using for loop. Aim of the experiment: to create a program to calculate the factorial of the given number using for loop. Now let us see the source code for this program. Num equal to integer of input, enter a number. If num double equal to 0, fact equal to 1. Fact equal to 1 for I in range 1 comma num plus 1. Fact equal to fact asterisk I. Now the final output will be print factorial of num within double quotes is comma fact. Now let us type this program in the notepad. Let us save that file. File save as. I have created a folder called coding in the desktop. So here what I am going to do, within double quotes, I am going to type factorial dot py within double quotes, and I am going to save the file. Now this file is saved in the folder coding. You can see factorial.py is saved in the folder. Now type cmd so that it will be opening the command prompt. Now in the directory you can see all the files are visible. Now type python factorial.py. If you press enter, the file will be executed. Now I am going to calculate the factorial for number 1. The answer is 1. Once again, I am going to calculate the factorial of number 2. The answer is 2. Now, once again, I am going to execute the program. I am going to calculate the factorial for number 3. Let us see, the answer is 6. Now, I am going to calculate the factorial for number 5. The answer is 120. Once again, I am going to execute the program and I am going to calculate the factorial for 10. The answer is visible on the screen. Type exit so that you can come out of this command prompt. Now we will see the result. The above program is executed and the required output is obtained. Thank you. For more videos like this, subscribe our channel Educrawl. You can forward this video to all your friends and relatives. During this COVID period, these types of videos will be very useful to them. Please share. Thank you.